Unleash your potential with our unique 3-course suite. The DipIFR Educational venture brings before you a uniquely tailored 3-course suite: the IFRS Expert Course, the CFO Program Package KIT, and the I-MBA. These innovative educational programs are designed to broaden your horizons and prepare you to take on leadership roles in the ever-evolving world of business. Our IFRS Expert Course is an in-depth exploration of international financial reporting standards, their applications, and implications. This specialized program is ideal for individuals looking to deepen their understanding of global finance, and is critical in today's increasingly interconnected economic landscape. Next in line, the CFO Program Package KIT is designed to equip you with a comprehensive understanding of the roles and responsibilities of a Chief Financial Officer. This course delves deep into financial management strategies, providing you with the knowledge and skills to lead businesses of all sizes. Lastly, our I-MBA is a cutting-edge program that integrates the principles of business administration with advancements in artificial intelligence. As industries increasingly adopt AI, this program will place you ahead of the curve, empowering you to lead in the new technological era of business. These courses, crafted with precision and expertise, offer you an unprecedented opportunity to boost your career trajectory. They are designed to not only enrich your academic credentials, but also provide you with practical, industry-relevant skills. In anticipation of any questions or curiosities you might have about these programs, we have prepared a detailed downloadable guide. This guide will present an in-depth look into the key components, benefits, and unique aspects of each course. The world of business is rapidly evolving, and continuous learning is crucial to stay ahead. We invite you to embrace this opportunity and enroll in our programs. Be ready to arm yourself with knowledge and skills that will pave the way to your future success. Seize this golden opportunity to expand your career horizons. Our courses, IFRS Expert, CFO Program KIT, and I-MBA, are designed to equip you with practical skills and knowledge to excel in the global business arena. Don't miss out on this unique chance to invest in your future. Enroll today and take a transformative step in your professional journey. We look forward to welcoming you aboard. See you inside the course. https://jkjawana.teachable.com 3-course suite enrollment at $97 only.